Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying how deep the rust goes, because that guides your method. Start removing loose scale with a wire brush and 80 grit sandpaper. Focus on edges first. Once you see solid metal, wipe the area with a clean rag to remove dust. Apply a rust converter to any remaining mottled spots. This neutralizes iron oxide and prevents spread. Make sure to work in thin coats. Allow the converter to flash dry so the next steps will bond properly. Once the rust converter is cured, sand the area progressively to 120, then 220 grit to feather edges and create a uniform surface. Clean with a tack cloth, then apply an epoxy primer in 2 thin coats, waiting the manufacturer's flash time between coats so you avoid runs. After the primer cures, wet sand with 400 to 600 grit to eliminate orange peel and blend into surrounding paint. This step ensures adhesion, and now apply your color in 2 to 3 thin, even passes. Keep the gun 6-8 inches away and overlap by about 50% to avoid striping. Once the color builds correctly and flashes, finish with 1 or 2 clear coats for UV and corrosion protection. Allow full cure according to the product. If you see sags or runs, stop, let dry, then wet sand the imperfection with 1000 grit, polish, and reapply thin layers. Key tip: if adhesion fails, check for residual rust or oil and redo primer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.